Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy here, Logan with Y.B.Normal, and listen to me, man. We just had an amazing, better yet, no, scratch that. We just had a phenomenal student assembly here at Haynes Middle School. And listen, man, just gave the students tangible tools to help them understand that, listen, you matter, right? But also being able to help them change the climate and the culture of the campus. So listen to me, guys. Check this video out coming up next. And as always, why be normal when you can be extraordinary? Love you. Peace.
I care about what we're doing now and moving forward. So I really want you all to understand, I really want you all to lock in with me with this presentation that I'm gonna give. And then at the end, I got some gifts for you all. The grades that you get in these teachers' classrooms, I need you to know that you matter.
Juwan Davis, and I'm one of the assistant principals here at Haynes Middle.
When you walk on this school campus, I need you to know that you matter. I'm telling you my story because I need you to know that there's somebody out here that look like you and they made it, and so you can too.
His upbringing and the challenges that came with that and his experiences, I thought evoked a lot of thought, a lot of motivation and inspiration for our scholars.
Your goals are tied to your vision and should inspire action. This creates a sense of purpose and motivation to stay focused.
Raw, it was real, and it was relevant.
Why would you want to be a carbon copy of somebody else when you was designed to be a limited edition? Think about that.
They need to see someone that has had their challenging upbringing experiences to relate to show that they can do it as well.
I need you to know that you matter. That's what I need you to know. I need you to understand that. And from this day forward, why be normal when you can be extraordinary?